First, the top headlines. State observes Maharaj Gambhir Singh 189th death anniversary. Assam Rifles and Mizoram Police recovers warlike store in Mizoram. "38 killed, more than 85 injured in bus accident in Senegal." "21 killed, 49 injured after bus crashes at Kenya-Uganda border." And Mary Kom pulls out of this year's Boxing Women's World Championship due to injury. Warm greetings and welcome to ELITETV News. I'm your news anchor Ishika Rajkunari presenting you the 3 p.m. English news. And before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now let's begin with the news in details. The state today paid rich tributes to Maharaj Gambhir Singh on his 189th death anniversary. The state-level observance was organized by the State Art and Culture Department at Maharaj Gambhir Singh Samadhi Complex, Kanchipur, with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh as the chief guest. The Chief Minister led the gathering in offering floral tributes to the memorial and portrait of the late king who spearheaded the war against Awa Burmish to end the 7 years of devastation in 1826. A contingent of Manipur rifles offered guard of honor, gun salute and sounded the last post as a mark of respect to Maharaj Gambhir Singh and all those who laid down their lives in the war for the motherland. The Chief Minister also offered flowers at the statues of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Maidingu Narsingha and Sana Herachandra. Later, he offered tarpan and paid obeisance at Dhopapala.
Karga punga ga lari haidina pagda chanamba pari puri thigataba haurpham khangdaba aigi na kana mi gi na kana na chamam narga ikoi che leiram badali ngasi gi society che leiram mine asa hat khri me ando lising ke ano hui mi hat thri do case pan me lising am changa kadani ne case pan de ka ano matting leiba maya mama ngasi di karigi ngasi di ame saji la ka ndati Narendra Modi ji la kan de kari talk wari sarga roi sakal to reiba Assam da leramba Boro gi adagi kanogi NLFT gi Tripura gi adagi kanogi Mizoram gi loina talk to ro yar khre usin General United Front talk to wa hore kampa ki leibe chinna ji mar de talk to wa hore kari gi matam de talk to no ho na bidana kari gi man ban yama ma sumila likhang na fen ka de misam haliwa Galoba sing bahana betul kenapa kusuh haite. Galoba security ka kam da sinaba matam da Manipur pasal kam naam tana galoba ki favor de lai bite.
The Imphal Motor Vehicle Association and drivers stopped plying passenger services for today as showing condolence against the brutal killing of young lame Priyobarta Singh, who was found dead at Nagaland Kujama area on 7 January after being missing since 30 December 2022. Drivers of Imphal Motor carried out road blockade with ban of carrying passengers and goods near at Kongdong Lairembi temple area. Teams of Thawal Commando led by O. Wangkhomba, Additional SP Operations, Inspector K. Nitaranjan Singh, OC and or CDO Thawal under the supervision of Jogesh Chandra Hawijam, IPS Superintendent of Police Thawal arrested one Amar, 27 years, son of Muhammad Hamid of Lilong Chaubok Mairen Khun, Thawal, from Lilong Lehau Khong after receiving a reliable input that one drug dealer, Amar, has concealed illegal drugs at his wife Akham's parental house at Lilong Lehau Khong and seized a total of 360 numbers of codeine phosphate bottles and 710 numbers of tablets marked as PAN, PRX and 1,191 numbers of tablets marked as N10 nitrazepam tablets which were concealed inside the granary of the house. The arrested person along with seized items has been handed over to Lilong Police Station and a case has been registered for further necessary legal action. Oath taking for newly elected representatives of Committee of Civil Society Kanglei Park CCSK from 2023 to 2025 held today at Students Union of Kanglei Park Head Office, Wangkei. CCSK advisor Thiam Bharat, Asangbam Jiten and members of various CSOs attended the event. Speaking at the event, Thiam Bharat stated that CCSK took major role in every issue including ILP, Naga Peace Talk and others to safeguard unity in Manipur. Jiten further stated that as a result, CCSK became constituent body amongst CSOs of Manipur. Besides, he appeals the representatives to take part in natural disaster matters and help in disaster management and urge to work abiding integrity.
CSK na koi constituent part hagadra koi PPCM gi maruiba component amoirakpa JCILPS ki constituent part amoirakpa amasung kokomi gi oiba constituent body amoirakpa aduga huzik ain khambada kokomi gi coordinator si CCSK gi thobun oiramgani haibagi ai thajaba malai aduna CCSK na lauriba thodang si yamna remarkable oiba thodang sini mayam leiminariba group yamna tinba group yamna leiba kogi stage days da kogi punna satminaraga lakpa maroina panba yaba khradi ILP si chana nabai dong ta jangthil lakiba khongdang singda CCSK na JCILPS ki part amene yorkiba aduna ratana peace talk ta Naga GOI peace talk ta CCSK na yor kiba thodang singthani gai oi.
Meanwhile, newly elected president of CCSK, Jitendra Ningombam, asures to start working for the issues that hit to demolish unity of Manipur and initiate to root out drug menace. While 12 executive key posts and 3 executive members were selected during the oath-taking ceremony. Teachers and students of TG Higher Secondary School praised and welcomed National Kala Utsav 2022 folk dance gold medalist Naure Monica Chanu and Laisangthem Langol Bichanu at Imphal International Airport today. The competition was organized by National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT held from 3rd January to 7th January 2023 at Regional Institute of Education RIE, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. More than 700 students from different states, union territories, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan and Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti were participated at different art items. Naurem Monica Chanu of TG Higher Secondary School won first position at folk dance category representing Manipur, and speaking to the media, Naurem Monica Chanu expressed her happiness and shared the experiences she had.
Dance folk category da first prize from Zarapani national level Kalau sub competition da Odisha ki Bhubaneswar da pangthok sabani yam nungai ai sumaina phang base yam harawe I'm excited kamaina haidino kangde I don't know how to express my feeling. Credit my full credit madam da dum ai je dum support to bi ai first credit se madam no idne duha ai ji parents sing oza aibu guide to bibo oza sing ma'am principal vice principal and other teachers who guide me. I am harawe.
Meanwhile, TG Higher Secondary School Principal Dr. Binita Elangbam encouraged and praised for their outstanding performance.
2022 Bhubaneswar Pangthok Pasal Saru Yarubani national level da maduda Naurem Monica na folk dance category da first tare adagi di Langon Bedi hangangtragasu it's an achievement in itself to reach the national level competition mabani mo ki maramda yamna koi matang da yam harauba ngai ba phongluk jagoi na ngasi se hekta hongnaraga receive tawla kani suti waijaraga su school gi aduna mathang da su koi habra iba satri singsi makoi gi matung induna achievements myam porakhini haibagi achet ba khazaba thamjai aduna we are very happy. Congratulations to both our students.
A new association called Manipur Aero Sports Association (MASA) was formed at Castle Hotel yesterday. The association was formed in order to make development of aero tourism and sports by Minister Mahut and RDPR MLA Yumnam Khemchan as President, Pukhrambam Aristotle as General Secretary, and Laurembam Orient Kumar as Treasurer. In the newly formed association, 23 persons were elected to work as executive members of the association, said Pukhrambam Aristotle, General Secretary, MASA, in a press release. In a joint operation of team by team of Assam Rifles and Mizoram Police based on specific information, they recovered warlike stores near BP-15 Saihat district along Indo-Myanmar border on 7 January 2023. The party recovered cash near BP-15 and total recovery are Cordex yellow color 5mm, IED container cell 36, explosive filled IED large 6 numbers, explosive filled IED small 7 numbers, electric wire 2 coil empty IED container large 3 numbers, explosive 200 gram fuse 1 number, improvised iron spring 25 numbers, igniter cap 24 numbers, cap FS 26, matchbox 58, pressure IED container 3 numbers, improvised IED release switch 26 and improvised pressure switch 11. The recovered items were handed over to Police Station Pura on 7 January 2023 for further legal proceedings. Ongoing smuggling of warlike store is a major cause of concern for the state of Mizoram, especially along the Indo-Myanmar border. Further investigation is on. Please stay tuned, viewers, and we'll be right back after a short break.
The legendary brand Vespa was born in 1946. The Vespa has a unique design with a V-shaped grille to complement its sleek cast. The Piaggio emblem at the front gives you the pride of ownership, innovative appearance. The design was inspired by the wasp, hence the name Vespa.
Adom gari macha darkar oibidra? Supnagi minute kuntragi manungda document ichang changdana Vespa amadi Aprilia gi apamba model sing supna dagi lupa lising tara khaktang puthok piduna loan oina lawba yabagi khudong chaba pizare. Akupa marol kidamak contact tawbirau 9089895330 amadi 9615823252 Tulasi Motors Private Limited Thangmaiban amadi Sangai Pro Kudong Chaba si Mangan Bigano ngasi mag-contact tawbirau terms and conditions apply.
Mayam Kurumjari, I have Kiming Navakishore Yumnam Kori, I have WMC ki National Spokesperson Suni, Amulana Lana, Assam Unit Kisu President Ojari. Equity Chai Kutingi, Equity WMC ki plenary session Pantopose under Lagliva January Tangkun Mapan, Sugnuda Manipur ki Sugnuda Pakokadobuni Masida Mayam Puno Saru Gabu WMC na ngasi integrated platform ama puratuna scheduled tribe status meeting UPB na haibagi masigi ihawasibu ekhoina Sugnugi mfam sida yamna mapung phana masigo akoi sabokna honajari amasung yamjang na masi ekoi khangdaba yadi haibagi khulaw ma ekoi malemda leba meeting punamak punna masi amutang tominasi aduna mayam amuk hana ningsingjari madudi ngasi 25 December akhoi jantar mantar da sit-in protest story base masigi lag liba ihawasibu khonghong sana amuk masi akoi Sugnugi mifam damu pukhatpisi.
Are you looking for an affordable hotel in New Delhi? Well, here it is. Hotel Ambrosia, located at 217 Road number 6, Mahipalpur, just 15 minutes distance from Indira Gandhi International Airport. Isn't it good? Well, we provide 24/7 pickup and drop service, free Wi-Fi in all rooms, 24/7 restaurant service, daily housekeeping, proper car parking, fitness center, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Please contact Hotel Ambrosia, A217 Road number 6, Mahipalpur, New Delhi. Phone number 964-3504-772.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching ELITETV English News. Now let's continue with the news again. Ex-ICICI Bank CEO Chanda Koshar and her husband Deepak Koshar are set to be released after the Bombay High Court said their arrests were not in accordance with the law. They were arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) on December 23 in a case linked to alleged irregularities in an over Rs 3,000 crore loan provided to the Videocon Group when Chanda Koshar was heading the private sector bank. The Koshars argued before the court that their arrest is illegal as under the Prevention of Corruption Act, sanction under Section 17A of the Act is mandatory to initiate a probe, and the agency hasn't got such an sanction to initiate this investigation. The CBI has named the Koshars Videocon Group Chairman Venugopal Dutt along with companies New Power Renewables NRL managed by Deepak Koshar, Supreme Energy, Videocon International Electronics Limited and Videocon Industries Limited as accused in the FIR registered under IPC sections related to criminal conspiracy and provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act in 2019. The CBI alleges that ICICI Bank sanctioned credit facilities to the tune of Rs 3,250 crore to the companies of Videocon Group in violation of the Banking Regulation Act, RBI guidelines and the credit policy of the bank. As many as 38 people died and 87 were injured in one of the deadliest road accidents when two buses collided near Kaffrine in central Senegal on Sunday, a fire brigade official in Senegal told the news agency AFP. Colonel Seik Fol, who is in charge of operations for Senegal's National Fire Brigade, said it was a serious accident. There were 125 passengers on board the buses, of whom 38 have died. The official also told the news agency that the tragic accident took place on the number 1 National Road at 3:15 a.m. local time Sunday morning. He added that all the victims were evacuated and rushed to a Kaffrine hospital and medical center after the accident. He mentioned that the wreckage and demolished buses have since been cleared and normal traffic has resumed on the stretch. Senegal President Macky Sall has declared a national mourning of 3 days starting Monday, January 9. The head of the state on his Twitter account wrote, following today's serious accident in Nibi, I have decided on a 3-day national mourning from January 9. Road accidents are common in Senegal and take place mostly because of driving without discipline, poor roads and decrepit vehicles, says experts, adding that this, however, is one of the heaviest death tolls from a single incident in recent years. At least 21 people were killed and 49 injured after the Nairobi-bound bus they were traveling in crashed near the Ugandan border, the police said on Sunday. The accident occurred on Saturday evening when the bus was crossing the Ugandan border. Among the killed include 8 Ugandans, while the rest were Kenyans, Ugandan Regional Police spokesman Rogers Taikita told AFP. According to the police, the driver had apparently lost control of the bus, which caused the vehicle to veer off the road. Preliminary findings point to a case of overspeeding by the bus driver, he was quoted as saying. The bus was traveling from the eastern Ugandan city of Bale to Nairobi and crashed in the Kenyan town of Lokwakwa. There has been a spate of accidents occurring in Uganda in recent years, and local media reported that the Ugandan government is planning to issue new measures to try to improve road safety after a surge in accidents. On January 6, 16 people were killed after a bus rammed into a stationary truck near the northern Ugandan city of Gulu. In just 3 days over the New Year period between December 30 to January 1st, 104 road crashes have been recorded in Uganda, with 35 people dead and 114 injured, in addition to the victims of the latest January accidents. And now in the sports news. All Assam Sepak Takraw Competition 2022-2023 concluded yesterday. The competition was held from 6 January to 8 January at Dhudpatil Part 4, Koiren under Burkola Assembly Constituency, Kasar, Assam. Participated by 21 different teams of club associations and organizations. During the function, Ayekpam Priya Devi, different medals winner at international level, was awarded Best Motivator and Sports Achievement Award as an honor by Okram Lakhikant Singha, General Secretary of Sanamahi Sports Academy, and Lengyanfi were also presented to other national and international players, showing honor to them. Prizes were also handed over to the champion runners-up, the third position winner of the championship. Round Glass Punjab continued their unbeaten run at home, beating Neroka FC 3-1 in the I-League on Sunday. Luka Maskin, Brendan Vanlam Remdika and Krishnananda Singh scored for the winners, while Yumnam Gopi Singh scored the consolation goal for Neroka FC. Punjab have maintained their second position in the table below Srinidhi Deccan FC, who have played a match more than them. Punjab took the lead in the 12th minute, and Juan Mera dispossessed the ball from the Neroka wingback and found Luka Maskin just outside the box. Luka played a perfect ball to the on-rushing Brendan Vanlam Remdika, who poked the ball past Subham Das to double the lead. A ball from the middle from Tangva was half cleared by the Punjab defence but fell to Yumnam Gopi Singh, who struck a first-time shot, leaving keeper helpless. Punjab put the game beyond Neroka in the 77th minute through a goal from Krishnananda Singh. Punjab have 17 points from 9 matches, while Neroka FC have 7 points from 10 games. Defending champions, Kerala advanced into the main round of the 76th Santosh Trophy National Football Championship, thrashing Mizoram 5-1 in the final Group 2 game at the EMS Corporation Stadium, Kozhikode on Sunday. Naresh Bhagyanathan scored a brace, while Nijo Gilbert, Gifty Gracious and Bisak Mohanan scored each for Kerala. Mizoram's consolation goal was scored by the second-half substitute Malsam Fela in the 80th minute. Kerala, which is the only team in the group to win all their matches, garnered 16 points to emerge the group leader. Mizoram will now have to wait for the result of the remaining groups to ensure their place in the main round. 6 group leaders and 3 best second-place teams will advance into the main tournament to be held in Saudi Arabia in February. Six-time world champion Mary Kom has announced that she will be pulling out of this year's boxing women's world championship due to injury. The 40-year-old, who has won a total of 8 medals in the Worlds, has not specified the nature of the injury, but she said that she is looking to recover soon. The IBA World Championships will be held from May 1 to 14 this year in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. She said she will not be able to participate in IBA Women's World Championship 2023 due to injury. "I am trying to recover soon," she further said. She hoped that she can get more champions from this championship and wished all the best to the participants. Mary had to miss out on the Birmingham Commonwealth Games last year after withdrawing from the selection trials with a knee injury. She had twisted her left knee in the first few minutes in the opening round of the 48 kg semi-finals. Mary had fallen on the canvas while trying to dodge a punch in the very first round of the bout. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Now let's go through the headlines once again. State observes Maharaj Gambhir Singh 189th death anniversary. Assam Rifles and Mizoram Police recovers warlike store in Mizoram. "38 killed, more than 85 injured in bus accident in Senegal." "21 killed, 49 injured after bus crashes at Kenya-Uganda border." And Mary Kom pulls out of this year's Boxing Women's World Championship due to injury. And that's all for today's 3 p.m. English news, and thank you for watching ELITETV. We'll be back with more news and updates at 6, so stay tuned, and finally signing off.